group was founded on December 18, 2016. This dance came from the bullfights celebrated in the highlands shared with Peru and Bolivia. Bullfights were brought to America by the Spanish conquerors, but it was also linked to the introduction of cattle in the Andes Mountains. This event was important for agricultural and cattle production. This dance is also related to rituals and offerings made to the Pachamama, and as an urban and popular dance, it represents a protest against bullfighting, where the Spanish figures are mocked. As you can see, the most outstanding dancers and figures are the bullfighter, the bulls, their native authority of Hilacata, the clowns or cusillos, the milkmaid, the Spanish woman, and the shepherdess. Be careful with the clowns. We have a little cusillo, a little clown. Excuse me. She's Violeta. Ella tiene 6 años. La familia Cusillo, the family Cusillo has 6 years old. And she has 6 years old. Here we have the Huipala. This is an emblem of the Andes Mountains. Be careful with the bulls. Thank you so much to Waka Waka Thokoris Aymaras.
Muchas gracias, Waka Waka thokoris aymaras.
That's the way they finish their carnivals, their festivals, with a big, big round. And a lot of confettis, by the way. I want to give a prize to the most motivated passengers here in the carnival con la fuerza del sol. Mister, for you. Because you're very, very motivated here. And we also have the most dancer here at the carnival con la fuerza del sol. Thank you so much.